Right, greetings family.
Greetings.
Welcome to our Journey of a Lifetime Business and Investment Conference. And this is where we connect everyone in the diaspora to how you go by the process of living and doing business in Ghana. And here with me are two experts. One of our brothers from the diaspora, Brother David.
That's
We've
right.
been rolling together since 2006.
That's right.
Dr. Asari, the same. We rolled together about since 2007, and we just want everyone to, reflect on their journey, and also just drum up as many questions as possible that you have, and we'll get them answered and give everybody clarity. But also, I want to thank everyone for being brave and taking a step forward, a step that many people got scared and shaky because they thought it was going to come down with Ebola somehow. And we have our Dr. Asari here, and he's going to share and validate everything, that there's no Ebola in Ghana, there's no issues and everything. That way our people in the diaspora knows. So once again, family, appreciate everybody's energy, and the journey of a lifetime has its ups and downs. And as we close on the last program, glad everybody had a great time. Everybody at the stop was at One Africa.
Oh,
Say no, Sister Africa took care of everybody who's done off proper.
Great.
Now we're back in the city of Accra, and we're getting ready to roll out tomorrow. I don't know, I'm thinking about not leaving.
Well, I can take your passport.
But yeah, like the great Abby Tubman, gotta go back and get our people and reconnect them back to the diaspora.
Great.
So I'm gonna let David take over and continue the program. And once again, appreciate everybody for coming through, and we'll spend our last day reflect on our journey, and definitely have your questions ready for these two brothers.
Great. Okay, as always, family, we open with prayer because we are a people that's blessed with so much melanin, and we have so much to be thankful for. So we'd like Dr. Asari to open us up.
It's like after 2 minutes of silence, amen and amen. Thank you, great Creator, for bringing us home here. Thank you for the prayer that we have already had in silence. Thank you for our hearts. Thank you for the bravery by which we are able to take the step. A lot of people love to see success, but they don't have the courage to move towards success. Thank you for blessing this, our brother here, with the bravery to move forward. And we also thank you for showering blessings on us to give us a great heart of coming together. We know the greatest weapon that the powers that be fear is not any weapons of mass destruction. The greatest weapon they fear is the African coming together. But that is going to happen. And that is happening right now by this very movement. And we thank you for giving us that heart, that spirit of bringing us together, learning together, and getting into the future of hope and glory together, where we shall overcome self-defeatism, self-hate, and know that we are the people who did it, we are doing it, and we'll do it, and we'll be glorified. Thank you, great Creator. Thank everybody for your great heart. Ashe.
All right, you may be seated. Thank you very much. I'm a very thankful person, so I have to thank the Most High, y'all. And I thank each and every one of you, as the brother said, for having courage. So give yourself a round of applause for being courageous. Because brother was sharing with me, Brother Jazz was sharing with me a book by Dr. Martin Luther King, was on Dr. Martin Luther King, and we was just briefly talking about the courage. And one thing came to my mind was that Dr. King had a dream, and one man made a big difference. I love Malcolm X. Malcolm X, Martin Luther King, I mean, let's face it, they did a lot for us, and we're standing on their shoulders. But those was courageous men, and we had our mother, Rosa Parks, stood up and said, hey, I'm not going to sit at the back of the bus anymore. So that's what I see in you. I see that courage. So continue. We're going to talk about another type of investment tonight. We're going to talk about an investment of love. You see, you hear people say, I love you, but how many people love themselves? We got to start loving ourselves. And the way you love yourself is you treat yourself better. You don't just let anybody do you any kind of way. You don't just let anything happen to you from this day forward that you don't appreciate. So we're going to invest in you. We're going to share with you what I feel that we need more of, and that's to love ourselves. Okay?